Savor the sea, irresistible shrimp BLT recipe. Indulge in the perfect fusion of land and sea with our best BLT, shrimp burger recipe. This culinary masterpiece combines succulent shrimp patties, crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and zesty mayo, sandwiched between toasted brioche buns. Get ready for a flavor explosion that takes the classic BLT to a whole new level. Whether you're a seafood lover or a BLT enthusiast, this recipe is a guaranteed crowd pleaser that will leave everyone craving more. Recipe: ingredients, shrimp patties, bacon strips, lettuce, tomatoes, brioche buns, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Instructions: prepare shrimp patties by blending shrimp, salt, and pepper in a food processor. Shape into patties and cook until golden brown. Cook bacon until crispy. Toast brioche buns to perfection. Assemble your shrimp burger BLT. Bottom bun, shrimp patty, bacon, lettuce, tomato slices, mayo, and top bun. Transform your regular BLT experience into a gourmet adventure with our best BLT, shrimp burger recipe. The harmony of flavors from the shrimp, bacon, and fresh veggies creates a symphony for your taste buds. Elevate your next meal with this delectable twist on a classic favorite. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.